Hello guys, thank you for tuning out to this video. I just want to quickly make this short videos as I was sitting down here thinking about as we move forward in the class. I just want to say something that use some of the terms that you might be hearing us using during our tutorials and you understand what we are talking about. It's about the long and the short trade. When you hear long, when you hear short, what are we really talking about? So here on this platform here, I just want to explain what we are talking about. When you hear the terms long, we'll start from that first. It simply means to buy. Let's say, for example, I get into a trade. Here, I wanted to buy this. I put my stop loss here. Oh, let me just put it. Let's say, for example, we want to buy to this area, even though that's long, it's not always easy to get action like that anyway. So let me just put it as if we are buying. So what does this really mean? This is a long. So when we say long, we are meaning it means that it's bullish, that we want to buy. Let's say, for example, the explanation of this is simply is that here we see that we have euro against the Swiss francs. So what does this really mean to us? When we say that we have euro against the Swiss francs, what does this mean? It means here that on this place we bought the euro here, and the euro keep on going high. So the euro get high, and when we get it here, we say we do the buy. We buy low when it get high, then we stop our trade here. It means we were able to make profit from these markets. Or we might be thinking about, okay, going to get the euro here, or the Swiss francs is going to reduce. So either ways, it will still make it bullish, and that's why we place our trade here in order for us to buy the currency. So this is what it means long. And in the area of short, what does that really mean? What do we mean when we say short? Is simply the opposite. Sorry. It simply is the opposite. Let's say, for example, we can use an example here. When we say short, we are talking of selling. Let's say we get into the market here, then we put our stop loss somewhere here, and let me just take it down to this place. And we know we are still on the same currency pairs, which is the euro and the Swiss francs. So what are we talking about here? We are saying that we get into the market here, we know quite also, okay, I am going to sell this. And what's the purpose of we selling this is that we'll find out that in the reverse, this euro that we get here is going to decrease, and the Swiss francs is going to rise, which is the opposite of the long. So we think about the euro going down. So that's why we are selling at this point. So when we say long, it means we want to buy. When we say short, it means that we are selling. So I just want to quickly drop this video for you to know the difference between long and sell. When we say sell, we are talking about short, and when we say long, we are talking about buy. Please have a wonderful day, and just Subscribe to our channel so that anytime I drop more videos, you'll be able to see these videos and the next tutorials. You will be able to get something when we'll be talking about entry stops and some other things, some of the terms that we use more further.